Hello, my YouTube family. Coming to you today with another pocket page roundup layout. This month our theme is food frenzy, and so I decided to document this photo of my son eating ice cream for the first time because it was a frenzy. I had got a sundae and he just demolished it. So let's go ahead and get this layout done. So what I'm going to document are these photos. I put this together through the Persnickety Prints website, and she has a lot of good options on her website. So I believe I have this. This is maybe a digital stamp from somewhere, or maybe it was one of her add-ons from the website. I'll double check for you guys and leave it in the description below. So yeah, I put that with the photo, and then here's two more photos of him eating ice cream. And then I have these two cards that I found in my stash that I thought would work really good. Super love these details. So this is where I'm going to do my journaling. In the back, I didn't really like that pattern, so yeah, I thought that would be good for journaling. And I thought this these colors played off each other very well as my pants and the ice cream. Then the back of this is just says details. This is an old Allie Edwards 4x6 card. So we're going to be using these two 4x6 cards to get this documented. We also have this little ice cream cutout. I do not know where it was from. This is a stamp by Amy Tan, and I just stamped it and fussy cut it. This Oh I'm So Happy is from Ellie's Studio. Believe it was her February kit that came out, and I bought all of the pieces because they were just so awesome. So here are some more hearts that I'm going to be using from Ellie's Studio. This is from my stash. I don't remember where this was from, but I'm just going to use this sticker right here for that says Big Day. And this is, I just saw the packaging for this because this is old as well. I'm going to use this Love This. And then this is Yes. Like, look at this sticker sheet, guys. Do you see this? Like, it's almost gone. I have an ampersand. I'm going to use this word yes. And I have this +1, which I don't know when I would ever use that. So maybe once I'm done using these two, I'm going to call it quits. And I'm going to be using this Memories here. So let's go ahead and get this started and see how it comes together. All right, guys, that is it. I am done with this layout. All I have to do is put it into the pocket page. This is going in, how did I have this? Oh, I had it like this. I believe that this is going into the album from the same album I did. Some of the same layout I created the last time when we documented travel. So it's going into that same album. I'm still documenting this trip because we took so many stops. We took Kentucky, Alabama, and Virginia. So it's taking a minute to get this album done. But this is the layout. Here's my pocket page. I hope you enjoyed the process. Here's the card, ice cream, a little embellishment, my cluster there, and my little memories card. Until next time, see you later. Bye-bye.